Dito natin napapatunayan na tayo lang ang nagugupitan sa bahay namin.
Bukanda forever! Sa Gabi Nag-Ri-Ride, sa Gabi Nag-Vlo-Vlog.
Yeah! Hipapay, pichapay!
It's nice to drink another coffee for today. Okay, here we go again for another idea, another vlog, and a lot of tips and tricks here for for our camera now. But yeah, stay tuned, and before you continue, yes, don't forget the subscribe button as of now, and enjoy our watching. And it's reasonable, ride safe, slow. Wait, iya bye-bye, pizza pie. Today, for this video, we'll talk about for those who are, interested in vlogging or just documenting your own self while you are traveling. And the best camera you have is on your mobile phone. But sometimes it is really inconvenient for you to hold the mobile phone while you're walking, and sometimes you don't have anything to to put the cell phone, or it's usually falling down. But for this one, it's cheap and it's very DIY for you, and you can have these materials around your house. There's a little few items that you have to buy in an online shop or any camera stores, and this is the next that you will see.
Grocery stage!
Today I will show you our little kitty, new little three kittens here, hiding in this little cabinet. And the mommy is not here. Look at that little kitty number one. And the mommy is returning. Look at the little kitties. So here we go. We have little kitties here. Yeah, this is our little kitty now. And they are little crying. And their mommy. Oh, mommy is really getting mad now. Okay. These little kitties here. Yeah, little kitties. We are returning them to their natural habitat. We don't want to get them mad, especially the mommy cat. The mommy cat will bite you if her little kitties are in danger.
Buying eggs!
So here we are talking about the tripod that I have made as a holder and the tripod itself. This is the best vlogging thing for me, vlogging setup. I have categorized it, or I have a use for it. Of course, the stability, so it can stand. The next is the holder, holding up, then holding up your hand. Then next is holding the cell phone camera, like so. You can place it like that one. Okay, the next is for putting your audio on the cold shoe here, and the last, if you have a limited power supply for your battery, you have the power bank holder here, that you can put the power bank. Plus, if you have the lighting, you can put the lighting itself. You can have the lighting effect during darkness, or like this one, it's cloudy, but you need more light to lighten up your skin as well. Until the next vlog. No. So where do I get these materials from? So we will talk about the materials that I have made. So we will dismantle it like so. You will take off the camera. Of course, you all have camera in your cell phone, or you can have your action camera mounted here. It has 1/4-inch screws. For this one, this is the cell phone, or you have an ordinary cell phone clip on like this one. I bought this one in the Andor official store, online store. You can clip your cell phone like so. has many cold shoe mounts and a quarter-inch thing on the bottom and on the middle. Okay, it has a very grippy and a springy effect on it, and as you can see already, it's already have worn out and has done a test of time already throughout the year, 1 year only. It's in the motorcycle, it's on the ground or something. It's very sturdy. It's really good for your pockets. Very cheap, but it is sturdy. That's the first part of it. You can also have those thingy cheap one that a cell phone clips on, maybe 10 pesos or 20 pesos. The next is the multi-directional, this is a little bit of an expensive one because it has you can mount any, does have the quarter-inch hole or screw, and it swivel a lot. You can forward it, backward it, or sidewards, or tilt it, ball movement. Yeah, I also got this in the Andover official store. It also have the quarter-inch at the bottom, quarter-inch hole at the bottom, so you can mount it on this quarter-inch also of a screw. Okay, that's the ball swiveling, mount for your cell phone or action camera or the SLR. Then the next one is the screw itself. I have put 2 screws to stop the rotation of any, so it doesn't go all the way down. And if this doesn't go all the way down, it extends above of your field of view for your cameras. Then I mount this one here on the handle itself. So that's the top one with the screws. So this is the first part, making this a tripod holder, cell phone holder. And the next one is the middle part one.
Hardware store.
So after you touch the little kitties, you have to wash your hands properly. So and you have to disinfect yourself because sometimes, not only during the pandemic, always there's bacteria within them because they are constantly licking by their mother, and then their mother's licking everyone else here.
Wakanda forever.
Yeah. So we go to the middle part now. The middle part of this tripod. The middle part is with this tube that looks like a handle now. I have hit this with a hammer so it can be flattened out like this, so and bend. I have bended it like this one so it can form and make it stand. And I put holes on this side also for this one to mount some accessories like this one, the power bank holder. This measures about including the quarter-inch mount of screw. Yeah, that's the measurement of this one, and it is the length is like this one. It's about 4 centimeters, and the tube, the thickness is about 1 inch or 1 inch or 3 centimeters in the diameter of the tube, this size tube. It depends on you, but not too long to cut it. Not too long or it will fall down or lose its balance. Just right for your hand to grip on. Put the power bank or some little accessories like this one for your lighting, and and you're ready to go also. But for me, I've cut the tube for about 1 foot 35 inches in length of this tube. And because I bend it in around 1 to 2 inches to make this, this flat surface here or flatten out. Also at the bottom, the same thing. Middle part also consists of the middle part is I've considered heavy the power supply or for longer use of the vlogging setup is the power bank holder. I base this power bank on its size, of course. For the size is it's around 3 inches by 3 inches by 5 inches for a power bank like this one. So you can slip it down like this one, and you can put the lighting like so, yeah, good. So you can also put the wires connected to the cell phone and power it down if you have a low battery already, or including your lighting system or audio system. Okay, that's what we have considered: the stability, the power supply for longer use, the handling, and the mounting of the camera and some audio mounting also, and lighting. Okay, so that's the middle part of this tripod, this DIY tripod. Okay,
Buying eggs!
so the bottom part is consisted of very thin plywood, not so thin but it's sturdy, quarter of an inch also of plywood, or any plywood you can get on your hardware or scrap around your house. It doesn't necessarily of high quality and very big one that you can, it's only can pick up some, and you put holes in it so you can rivet this little tin cap cans. This one is from this instant tea.
Sa Gabi Nag-Vlo-Vlog, sa Gabi Nag-Ri-Ride.
It's very hard, to ride, not riding and having a vlog like this one. I'm not used to vlogging sitting down. I'm used to vlogging in a motorcycle. But anyway, this is also useful in my motorcycle vlog. This is the one I used for a couple of months already. And it's good for the low shots, especially for motorcycle reviews. The low shot is very, very useful, and it creates a more dramatic view. It's dominating, even if it is just a small scooter. Okay, so the bottom part is consisting of this plywood. Okay, and the next consists of these 3 small tin cups. It is like this one already. Then I put holes in it and then rivets or screw them on the plywood like so, like this one. It has rivets here. I put 2 rivets on it. It is from this Chinese tea cup. But if you don't have this size of this size of a tin can, you can have the big one of a tin can of these canned goods. You just put the hole in it and then you're ready to go after you eat the one inside, of course. Also, this milk thing, you can also put the one here, a hole, a screw like so, and then you're ready to go also. Then you paint it black or paint it something of your favorite color like pink or red, or green. Sometimes green is good, and yellow is very visible. But for me, it's good for me that it is black. It is just that I ran out of paint for this power bank holder. I guess we're done.
Ride safe is slow.
For the plywood, is enough for you to have 3 inch also by 5 inches or 4 of this size of plywood. 3 inches by 5 is also will give you a good stability for your cell phone, but not a good stability for other big cameras. Maybe small cameras like this one, also the size. It has its own ratios. If the camera is bigger than the 4 by 3 inches size, then it will not give you a good stability. It will topple down and it's easily not very stable. For this one, this is good for small or mid-size cell phones. I have my iPhone also that I can use, and some little action camera that you can mount on this one, and you're ready to go. You can also have the handlebar, or you can take the selfie, and it is very useful. I've given you a good idea for this vlogging setup or camera setup. Yeah.
Grocery stage.
I hope you enjoy this little idea of a video right now. I'm very sorry that we haven't got through the step-by-step making of this contraption of tripod for our cell phone vlogging, because I'm too excited to make this weeks ago, and I was very excited too that I have made not only 1 but 2 vlogging tripod DIYs like this one. This one is longer than this one, 30% longer, but they have the same bottom part. This one is longer. This is for my little camera, action camera, and then it's very cheap, and because of that cheap camera, it is getting low bat always. So I have put, that's why I put this power bank holder that I can use, and have this USB and connect it in the power bank, and to the camera itself. I also made this audio thing, you know, holder for the audio, you know, wireless underwear also, so it can be connected on the side. This is the camera cage, clip it in there, and we're all ready to go for another vlogging adventure, you know. Yeah, I hope you have a good idea on this one, making this one. Yeah, you put this finger shoe. Also have the 1/4 inch size of this, you know, can go up and down. You can also put the cell phone itself. You just exchange it with the cell phone clip like this one. Then you're ready to go vlogging again, or documenting your lifestyle like so. You know? Yeah. Bye-bye, video bye. If you have reached this on this end of this video, just, you know, just click on the subscribe button. And we are making videos about anything, especially motorcycles and safety tips on motorcycling, and this DIY for, you know, motovlogging or vlogging, or in any way in a camera. And sometimes if we are hungry, we will go to food blogging also. And sometimes we go to travel, we have hotels, we have resorts. Yeah, that's all of for this moment, and until next video again, good night, Earthlings. Ride safe, slow.
Pero maganda sa mga on-the-go na vlog. The streets are busy already. Ride safe is law.